Certainly. Let's emphasize the danger and magnify the impact of gaslighting. Gaslighting is a sinister method wielded by manipulators to seize control over unsuspecting victims. It operates by systematically dismantling a person's self-trust while amplifying their reliance on the deceiver. In relationships, gaslighting commences insidiously. The abuser cunningly cultivates trust, often during an initial honeymoon phase devoid of overt abuse. Then, they insinuate that their partner is fundamentally unreliable, forgetful, or teetering on the edge of mental instability. As time passes, the insidious effects take hold. Victims question their own sanity, their grip on reality slipping like sand through their fingers. They become dependent on the gaslighter for memory validation, decision-making, and even basic self-perception. The consequences are profound. Fractured self-esteem, isolation, and a sense of being trapped in a psychological labyrinth. Escaping this web of manipulation becomes akin to breaking free from quicksand. Each struggle only pulls them deeper. Beware the gaslighter's shadow, for it distorts truth, warps perception, and leaves scars that linger long after the relationship ends.